The blueprint for AI wealth creation, transforming the world of finance and investment. Artificial intelligence, once a concept of science fiction, now a transformative force in our everyday lives. But did you know AI is also revolutionizing the world of finance and investment? Stay with us as we unveil the blueprint for AI wealth creation and explore how this cutting edge technology is reshaping our financial future. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the finance and investment landscape, offering new opportunities and strategies. The AI wealth creation blueprint represents a significant change in how individuals and institutions approach wealth generation, investment decisions, risk management, and market predictions. Discover the combination of AI and wealth creation for innovative practices that redefine traditional methods. AI systems can process and analyze data far quicker than any human, spotting patterns and trends that might be missed. This capability allows for more accurate market predictions and smarter investment strategies. Evolution of AI in finance. The use of AI in finance has been an ongoing process for many years. Machine learning, predictive analytics, and algorithmic trading have significantly changed the way financial institutions operate. From high-frequency trading to robo-advisors, AI has revolutionized multiple finance sectors, streamlining processes and improving efficiency. Discover the influence of AI in finance and its advantages for institutions and investors. The role of data in wealth creation. Data serves as the foundation of wealth creation driven by AI. By analyzing large volumes of structured and unstructured data, previously inaccessible insights are revealed. AI algorithms efficiently process this data, identifying patterns, trends, and correlations, empowering investors with actionable intelligence. Unlock the potential of wealth generation powered by AI through data analysis and actionable insights.
AI-powered investment strategy.
The AI wealth creation blueprint utilizes AI-driven investment strategies to achieve the best results. These strategies encompass a wide range of approaches, including algorithmic trading, portfolio optimization, and risk assessment. Through analyzing historical market data, conducting sentiment analysis on news and social media, and simulating scenarios, AI models empower informed investment decisions. Explore the ways in which AI can improve your journey to creating wealth. Make smarter investments with AI-powered strategies. Risk management and predictive analytics. The predictive capabilities of AI are crucial for effective risk management. By utilizing advanced algorithms, AI can assess risk factors, simulate different scenarios, and provide proactive strategies to mitigate risks. Whether it's identifying market trends or forecasting asset performance, AI enables investors to make well-informed decisions while minimizing potential risks. Stay ahead with AI-driven risk management solutions for optimal results in your investment journey. Implementing the AI wealth creation blueprint. AI-powered robo-advisors offer personalized financial management services. These platforms use algorithms to analyze an individual's financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals. You can receive tailored investment recommendations and automated portfolio management for optimized financial growth. Explore the benefits of robo-advisors today. Algorithmic trading and market analysis. In the world of trading, algorithms powered by AI execute trades based on predetermined criteria and market conditions. These algorithms continuously learn from market data, adjusting strategies to adapt to changing market dynamics. They are able to identify opportunities and execute trades at speeds and frequencies beyond human capability. Consider the potential of AI-driven trading algorithms for improving market performance and efficiency. AI-powered asset management. Asset management firms utilize artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance portfolio performance. With the help of AI algorithms, these firms can consistently monitor and adjust portfolios, leveraging data-driven insights to maximize returns and minimize risks. This automated approach improves operational efficiency and decreases the chance of human errors. Explore how AI-powered asset management can optimize your portfolio's performance and drive better investment results. Challenges and future outlook. AI in wealth creation encounters ethical and regulatory hurdles despite its vast potential. Concerns surrounding data privacy, algorithmic bias, and transparency necessitate thoughtful deliberation for responsible and equitable implementation. Explore the challenges and opportunities of AI in wealth creation for a fair and sustainable future. Continuous innovation and adaptation. The field of AI in finance is constantly evolving, requiring ongoing innovation to maintain a competitive edge. In order to achieve sustained success with the AI wealth creation blueprint, it is crucial to allocate resources to research and development, enhance algorithms, and adopt new technological advancements. Stay ahead in the dynamic world of AI and finance with our forward-thinking approach and state-of-the-art solutions. Democratization of AI-powered wealth creation. As AI technology continues to advance, there is a growing push to make these powerful tools more accessible to everyone. By democratizing AI-driven wealth creation, including for individual investors, there is a tremendous opportunity to transform global wealth management. Discover the potential of AI-driven wealth creation and join the revolution in wealth management on a global scale. AI is more than just a technological advancement. It's a powerful ally in your journey to financial success. From investments to personal finance, the AI Wealth Creation Blueprint is your guide to leveraging technology for a prosperous future. Thank you for watching, and here's to a financially empowered tomorrow. Conclusion.